Hello. Welcome to demo video for wireless pager. A wireless pager in a restaurant is a small, handheld device given to waiting customers to notify them when their table is ready or their food is prepared. The pager receives a wireless signal from a base unit or transmitter, alerting the customer via sound, vibration, or flashing lights, allowing them to wait comfortably away from the crowded waiting area. This system improves customer experience by eliminating the need to stand in line and helps restaurant staff manage guest flow more efficiently. This is one set, which is one keyboard transmitter and 20 pagers. Touchable keyboard transmitter is Intec IT CTB320 with 20 slots. Pager is Intec IT CTP320. Please find the working video of the device.
Off det då. Där.